Hello dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I am Ankur Sharma and in this session I am having a big announcement for all the Gate 23 aspirants. I hope your Gate preparation is going good. So dear student, as you all know, it's the mid of November and this is a time where generally students appear for the test series. And this is the time where you should do practice more and more questions. So I know many students are looking for a good quality question from which they have an opportunity to recall their concepts, whatever they have learned in the classroom. So many students are having their classroom notes, and this is the time where they are appearing for the test series and they are calculating their marks, they are self-evaluating their performance. So in the same series, yes, Sanjeev, Sweta, and all are here. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. And definitely, you will be feel very happy when I will announce this announcement for you all, guys. Whatever I will announce, it will really boost your gate preparation, will definitely add values in your preparation. Because I am not talking about EC electrical IN students today. I am talking about all the streams EC, electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science. So first of all, before going to start, just let me know, my dear student, how's the energy? How's the energy, my dear student? Just to reply in the chat box. I know after long time I'm live here on the YouTube channel IMS Gate, as you all know. So before going to start, I am going to just tell the or always most popular dialogue. चाहे पड़े हो चक्कर में कोई नहीं है टक्कर. Let's start today's session, guys. So first of all, student, the gate score booster will boost your gate preparation, and definitely here, shabash Amit Kumar, very good, very shabash, shabash. So here we are having a live session on YouTube every day. Timing is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. where all expert faculty member going to take a most important questions with most important concepts that will recall your concepts, guys, and you have an opportunity to boost your gate rank. And definitely each and every session you will get a conceptual question where you guys can definitely, when you will attempt, you will feel that similar type of question can occur in the GATE exam also. And in the last IMS GATE Academy GATE score booster also, we have a lots of question who exactly touch the actual GATE 22. And we have a GATE live analysis part also just after the GATE exam, where we will show that how the questions will relate, because you all know, dear student, topic will remain same. Examiner has a very less scope to modify in the language as well as in the data and all. So if you will crack the pattern of questions, definitely there is a high probability that you will get a good score in the GATE. So it is a just your attitude matter, just your approach matter, because all the students are steady, but very less students are able to convert their knowledge into a success, into a good rank. So dear student, always remember, whatever you are doing in this November, December, January, this is the only decide what you will make rank in the upcoming day. So this is a crucial time. Maximum students are having nervous also in this time. They are feeling demotivation. They are feeling very much demotivation just because of they are getting less marks in the test series and all. So our faculty members also will explain you how to deal with the test series and how this GATE score booster actually boosts your rank. Here in the 3-hour session, we will talk actually the total content only, questions only, and apart from that, our faculty members do not say anything out of the box. Just where our faculties are dedicated towards your concept, towards your most important question. Okay, guys, so let's start. Yes, thank you so much, dear students, for your love and support. Just share the link so that maximum with us and maximum students will get a benefit of this series. Okay, because it is a free of course, and it is equally important for the enrolled students also, and those students who cannot afford, they can also join here and they can also boost their preparation. And you guys can also analyze the quality teaching. You guys can also analyze or judge the question levels. And if you will like it, you should share with a comments in the videos. Okay, guys. So the series going to be start from 19th of November, that is day after tomorrow, and we are starting from engineering mathematics, that is common for all the branch. So student, you know the importance of engineering mathematics and aptitude. Engineering mathematics itself cover 13 marks and general aptitude of course 15 marks. So total is 28. And whoever will make a good rank in the upcoming gate exam now, they will definitely secure more than 22 or 23 marks at least out of 28 in the non-technical section. And in the technical remaining 72, your approach should, you need to target for 50 plus or 55 plus, and definitely you will get under 300 100 rank also. Yes. So all of you guys just do reply fast. How many of you guys already attended engineering mathematics sessions of Priyanka ma'am? If you attended, then just reply in the chat box. So here student, we are having two back-to-back sessions, part 1 and part 2, where Priyanka ma'am will cover all the topics of from starting from linear algebra, calculus, probability, differential, all the topics will come one by one, and you will have a most important type of question which is having the high probability that those questions will come in the gate also. Okay, guys. So what is the prerequisite is, what is the expectation from your side while attending the class? Before that, you need to make sure that at least you need to turn the pages of your classroom notes, at least try to revise the formulas and all, so that you guys are able to attempt the question in a live manner. And when you will solve the question correctly, definitely you will feel that the 3R you are utilized in the best way. Good, good, very good, Nayan, shabash. So dear student, here Priyanka ma'am is not with us right now because right now she is busy in the live class of IMS Gate Academy only. We are having daily online live classes from 5 to 9:30. Right now class is going on. Now after that student, after the engineering mathematics, I am going to start the control system session. Okay. So first just raise your hand in the comment box and just reply in the comment box, guys. How many of you attended my control system lecture? Wherever. How many of you attended control system classes? Whether we talk about YouTube, whether we talk about offline batches, whether we talk about online batches. Very good, very good. So whatever is your experience, just reply in the chat box, guys. Just reply in the chat box. Abash. Okay. So here student, I am going to start this control system, and I am also going to take signals and system for you, and we will cover the most important type of questions of control system that you will literally enjoy every concepts here. So whatever time we are taking now, evening 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., where we are having a very healthy discussion on the concept, and you will literally enjoy if you already know the concept. Because you know very well in the 3R, it is not possible to teach you the particular topic. This is the time to boost your rank. So whatever concept you know, like SFG, signal flow graph, no, Nyquist plot, body plot, whatever concept you know, just revise those concepts and after come into the live class, so that you will have a wonderful experience for solving the question, and you will have a problem solving skill also, guys. You can develop your problem solving skill and you will have a proper momentum, so that it will be helpful to crack the actual gate exam also. Okay, guys. So I will teach you, I will take control system, signals and system in the gate score booster live session. Now coming to the or faculty, expert faculties, one by one or expert faculty will come here. You can ask your light doubts also. There also Venkatesh is there, sir. Best control. Okay, good, good. Thank you so much, Venkatesh. Thank you so much, beta, for your love and support. Just share it to the maximum, guys, so that every student can get benefited from this series, and all the sincere students who actually want to convert their knowledge into the actual gate rank, they will have a advantage of this series. Okay. What about ED? EDC also will come, guys. Very soon one more faculty will come here. Okay. So I would like to invite now Mr. JP sir. Hello JP, how are you?
Fine.
Good. So,
Hello students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I hope all of you are fine and doing very well.
I just want to ask one. So, JP, why, how this is going to be beneficial for the student? The subject you are going to digital circuits.
Hello
So,
students. Hello students, up to now, whatever the preparation you might have done regarding your coming GATE exam, that is one level. Now, in the upcoming days, if you want to make your preparation level to the higher, so all of you kindly attend all these GATE score boost sessions that are coming in our channel, so that you can improve your marks, score, everything, right? So here in these sessions, we will discuss the most important questions and excited questions which are very much useful for your coming GATE exam. So coming to my subjects, I am going to teach two subjects in the December month. So the first one is digital circuits, which will be there. It is common for 4 branches: EC, electrical, instrumentation and computer science. So these sessions will be on 2nd, 3rd and 4th December. And then another subject is communication, common for 2 branches, instrumentation. These sessions will be on 29th, 30th of. So in these sessions, I will, based on the possibility, I will discuss both conventional approach and shortcut methods, so that all of you will get the clarity and command over the number of concepts, and not only that, variety of good questions, right? So after attending these sessions, you will get the confidence regarding these subjects. And so before attending for these sessions in live, so all of you kindly revise your notes so that you will get maximum benefit from these sessions.
so now I would like to invite our next faculty members. But before that, as the JP told that, dear student, he is going to cover major subject, that is communication. You EC electrical, EC or IN student, the communication subject is very much, it is a core subject and weightage is also good. Around
10 to 15 marks per EC.
weightage. Many students generally are,
Because of
generally
the
it is not
syllabus is
treated as a scoring subject,
scoring
just
subject.
like control,
Yes,
just
sir.
like
Because generally the questions will be very lengthy.
very
So by
lengthy and
seeing that
theoretical
lengthy
part,
question,
theoretical part
theoretical
questions are also
generally
correct.
they will feel. By seeing the question itself, not solve, but
Good.
based on the formula and they can solve.
So many students who already took classes of JP sir in the Jayanagar or Malleshwaram in offline batches, they also know very well. And I think earlier also, if you are a dropper student, then also you used to seen many
Yes.
sessions of JP in IMS Gate Academy channel. Earlier also we have did the gate score booster,
Yes.
and you have taken the
Yes.
session. Okay, so thank
I'm
you so
eagerly
much.
waiting, sir,
Okay.
for all of you to see in the live session soon.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys. So now it's time to invite our next faculty member. That is Subodh sir, and he is going to take network theory. Okay. So how many of you guys, how many of you already prepared network? Just tell me first of all. How many of you already completed work? Okay. So I would like to invite the next member is or Subodh sir. Hello Subodh, how are you?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
So just I just ask. So tell me, Subodh, uh, how this session is going to be important for our classroom student as well as the free students also, those are watching on YouTube. And in this network theory, which topic you are going to cover and how these sessions are benefit and which type of questions you will going to take.
So thank you, sir. So first of all, tell me, all of you, how are you guys? And I hope you are doing very well with your gate preparation. And if it is not up to the mark, so don't worry. We are here for you only, and we will boost up and we will boost your preparation for gate. Okay. So as Ankur sir told you, we are going to take a gate booster session, and in this session, I will take two subjects, which is network theory, and it is very common for electrical EC and instrumentation students. And second one is electronics devices and circuits, sir.
EDC, huh?
EDC,
I think
yeah.
one student already asked here.
Oh,
EDC.
yeah. So
EDC
it
is
is,
also one of the core subject,
and
and
it
weightage
is,
is also like 12.
yeah, very important subjects for EC students, sir.
EC.
And it is a core subject. And if you are talking about weightage, so always you can see it is around 10 to 12 marks.
12 marks.
Yeah, so it is very important. And if you can see in previous year, so always you can say it is very easy questions also, but student is getting difficulties. So I will be here to get it sense, to make it very simple, sir.
Correct.
Okay, na?
Good.
So if anybody will attend the session, then definitely for those students who will attend the session, it will get they will get very good marks in network as well as all the subjects, sir. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank
I
you.
just want to say the name of Jiju is commenting. Ankur sir, you are the great. Thank you so much, Jiju, for your lovely words. Thank you, Subodh. Now next is okay. Some students are the god of EC students. But thank you so much, Jiju. Thank you so much for okay. And whatever your experience, just share with your juniors also. Any of the students who attended earlier my classes, and if you feel that my classes are really helpful to create a good rank, then definitely share your experience and inform to all your juniors that Ankur sir are at IMS Gate Academy, so you guys can follow here. And those who want to boost their preparation, they should definitely attend the Gate Score Booster sessions here. And the complete schedule is also we will add in the description just after this live session. Okay, guys. Now it's time to invite next faculty or next expert, that is Vipin sir, and he is going to take our major core subjects of electrical engineering. So welcome. How are you? Good.
I'm good, sir.
Okay, so again, my common question to you: generally, students are worried about the power electronics, power system, because we can say that for the electrical, it is a core subject, and many students are thinking that sir, subject is very vast. How we can get a good marks in this? Just explain it.
Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are preparing well for the exam and you are feeling really great. In this series, I am going to take two most important subject of electrical engineering, that are power electronics and power system. Together, they carry 25 marks in the exam. And you know, sir, I have designed the question in such a manner that along with the questions, I will cover all the important topics. So if you have prepared well for the exam, this is really going to boost your score. And if you are feeling that you are not in great touch of the subject, this will take your preparation up to the next level. That's my promise with you. And if I said that, I really mean it.
Thank you so much. So my next question to you, like power system, power electronics, what is the general weightage of this subject? And according to you, in the last moment, this is the November, December time is going. So many students are appearing for the test series also. And for the electrical students, especially the three subject, electrical machine, power system, and power electronics, they are always very much worried about that, because as compared to ECIN, if you compare the syllabus part, then the electrical student has a vast syllabus. So how they need to manage this last part, November, December? According to you, what should be the best strategy to maintain this November, December time?
So when it comes to power electronic, the biggest nightmare of the student is how to write the Fourier series in different converters. So in this series, I will tell you the shortcuts, how you can remember, how you can easily write the Fourier series of each and every converter. So it will very become easy for you to score in this subject. When it comes to power system, I will tell you, or I will just recall some important tips, or you can say the tricks, that is really going to help you in scoring more and more in power system. So after just joining this session, you are going to rock in these two subjects. That's my promise with you.
So
Thank you.
much. So I think one student is asking for sir Ahmedabad कब आ रहे हैं? So you, as you all know, student or offline centers are also running Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Coimbatore. Even we are having Nagpur also. And if you talk about in Bangalore also, we have two centers in Malleshwaram as well in Janagar. So those who are help from these particular cities, if you want to attend our offline classes, then also you guys can just write the IMS Gate Academy name and you will get the center. You can reach out to the centers and you can have a good counseling session there also. And whatever doubt you are having, you can also have a discussion with our counselor on Ahmedabad, on है ना, center name I already told you. Yes, yes. Sir, will you take the marathon session like last year? Definitely, Venkatesh. The marathon session is about to come, but in the month of January. In the month of January, just wait. But first of all, the score booster session is going to be very, very much beneficial for your preparation, and you will definitely love it. And we will make sure that in this 3 hour, you will have a wonderful experience, and you will never regret that why I have attended the session. You will feel proud that because I attended the session, now I am feeling very much confident. Okay, guys? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now, thank you, Vipin. Thank you. So now it's time to invite our next expert faculty, that is Nikhil. Nikhil, please come. So my question to Nikhil. Nikhil, this measurement subject is important for electrical and iron students. So just tell about the weightage of these subjects as well as the importance of this subject, and why the student need to attend your session and how they will get benefited from this. Because we are having 3 hour live session. In a 3 hour window, in a small window, which type of question you will take? Okay, so that just explain it.
Thank you, sir. And how are you, my dear student? So, having said by the sir that I am going to take the measurement subject and also one of the very important subject of the electrical engineering, that is electrical machine. All right. Coming back to the subject, that is measurement, as you know that this belongs to iron stream as well as electrical stream. So weightage for iron is somewhat it vary between 4 to 7 marks, because most of the time the question from the measurement, they include the question of the transducer as well. So they combine the two subjects. So because of that, they have a higher weightage. All right. So coming back to the electrical, for the measurement, it will vary between 1 to 4 marks. But anyway, you have to attain, means specifically the electrical stream, you have to attain the measurement as well. All right.
What about electrical machine? You told.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Correct.
yes,
So
sir.
electrical machine is a major core subject, and students are very much worried about this subject, that how they can score well in this, because syllabus is very vast.
Yes.
Again, it is a core subject. So just explain electrical machine session, how it will be helpful for our students, especially the gate score booster.
Sure, sir. So, as you know that electrical machine is very, very challenging and a conceptual subject. All right. So, if you don't have a clear idea, then definitely the student will not able to crack a single question from the electrical machine, that to the gate exam. All right. So, I'll be coming live on 8 and 9 December for the electrical machine, and for the measurement, I'll be on 6th and 7th. So for the electrical machine, I have taken a number of questions from all the chapters, that is transformer, or you can say synchronous, induction, as well as DC. So I have taken a number of questions, and with that question, I assure you that if you attend my live session, you will going to revise all the syllabus from the electrical machine itself, and I assuring you that you will going to get or crack all the question of GATE 2023. All right. So hope for the best, and hope to see you in the live session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil. So now I think many students are asking for where is the mechanical expert, civil expert. So definitely student, just wait. Mechanical faculties are about to come, CS faculty about to come, okay? And civil faculties are also about to come. Just stay tuned here and just share the link so that other mechanical students, civil students also will get to know, and they should have a solid reason to attend every day 6 to 9 p.m. I'm telling you guys, you will have a opportunity to utilize your evening time in the best manner, that is 6 to 9 p.m. Here you will have a extraordinary conceptual question. From the after solving those questions, definitely you will feel that you can crack the gate. So these sessions are here to actually boost your concept in the last days, because many students are I am good, Raj, I am good. Thank you so much, Raj, for your love. And I think many old students are here only. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely words here. Continuously you are writing here. Maybe I'm not able to see some comments. Okay. Thank you so much for your yes. So now coming to the next part is our mechanical engineering manufacturing subject, going to cover by Mr. Vijay Kumar sir. He is expert faculty, is having 10+ year teaching experience. and right now he's taking schedule in Kolkata center also. So right now he is not physically with us here in the studio, because right now he's taking classes in the Kolkata center. We are having offline Kolkata center also, as you all know. So now Mr. Vijay going to cover the manufacturing part, your production part. As you all know, it's having a we can say that as far as weightage is concerned, it has had a huge weightage in the mechanical stream. So you are not supposed to miss the session. Now many students are having a doubt that, sir, where we will get the detailed schedule or detailed dates, that on which date which session we have. So as I already told you, I am again repeating, just after this live session you guys can check the description. In the description we will add the weekly schedule of Gate Score Booster. The Gate Score Booster is going to start from 19th of November and it will be continued till 1st of January 23. So student, we will be here in the Gate Score Booster till the new year. Till the new year we are here with the Gate Score Booster and will cover all the subjects of all the 6 branch: EC, electrical, iron, mechanical, civil, CS. And after that, the January month we are having a mega marathon. For that I will have a again announcement and we will have a again discussion for the same. But right now our focus in the Gate Score Booster session. Okay. So our next faculty member is Pragyavat Tripathi. He is also having online live classes today. So he is not physically present with us in the studio right now, and he is going to take the fluid mechanics FM part. As you all know, FM is a common subject for mechanical and civil also, and it is a very very important subject, guys, and a highly scoring subjects also. So definitely you need to attend this FM session. The detailed schedule will be there in the description. Now coming to the next faculty member, Mr. Atul sir. So I would like to invite Atul Negi sir. He is going to cover engineering mechanics. Yes. So welcome Atul. How are you, first of all?
Fine, sir.
Good. So now my next question to you: engineering mechanics is common in mechanical,
Yes,
and
sir.
some part is common in civil also.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
It is common for mechanical and civil.
Huh.
And see, we'll be covering both mechanical and civil part, right?
Okay.
And most importantly, this subject is what very basic and fundamental subject. But see, sir, this is what very easy subject, but we need to solve the questions as well,
Okay.
right? See, at this moment, most of the students already solved PYQ.
Correct.
But to score higher marks, we need to go for the advanced level questions also.
Exactly.
Because at this moment, most of the students practice PYQ only. That is also required, but if you score high, you have to go with the advanced level. And those advanced level questions we'll be discussing in Gate Booster. And sir, apart from this engineering mechanics one, I will be also taking the theory of machine for the mechanical students, right? So again, theory of machine is one of the most important subject for the mechanical students, okay? And specifically the subjects topics like the vibration, governors, and the mechanism part. That is what very important. And directly you see, the last year also, no, when we have taken the Gate Booster,
Correct.
most of the questions were very similar, exactly similar, I can say, that was came in Gate 2022. So like that we'll be discussing. Questions will be of such level only, right?
But then are new questions.
Yes,
And,
exactly.
and the
sir.
questions cover multiple concepts also.
Yes,
So
exactly,
that
sir.
student has an advantage to recall their concept,
Yes, sir.
whatever they have learned in the classes.
Yes, sir.
So student, how many of you attended already Atul sir classes? Whether if we talk about offline centers of Janagar, Malleshwaram, or Pune center, Ahmedabad center. I think
Thank you so much,
I
Satya
think
ji
at
and everyone.
almost all the offline
sir.
centers you took.
Yeah, yes, sir. I have taken Kolkata also, Vijayawada also, and this Bangalore also, and online
class.
sessions I have taken already. Okay. So, sir, actually, one more point. No, sir, before going into the examination, we have to be what very confident.
Correct.
And confidence will come when you solve advanced level questions also. Okay. We have to be what very confident in numerical solving. So, always we'll do that questions. And thank you so much, Abhinav, and this. Shweta.
Correct. Chali. Thank you so much, Atul.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
thank you so much. Now I would like to invite our next faculty member. Before that, I will also repeat the sentence that Atul told, that in the last year also we did the Gate Score Booster, guys, and we have discussed very important questions there. So there is a huge probability that similar pattern of question definitely you will see in the actual Gate 23 exam. And student, we will definitely have a live analysis session just after the Gate 23 live exam in the month of Feb, and where we will show that how many questions are actually touch with our gate score booster sessions. Okay, why I am repeating this sentence again and again? Because while investing this 3 hours 6 to 9, you guys having a solid reason, you guys having a strong motivation, so that guys you can utilize in the best way. Dharmendra Kumar. Thank you so much, Dharmendra Kumar, for your lovely words. Yes, yes. Yes, definitely. Now our mechanicals and civil discussion is going on, Dharmendra. Definitely we'll meet in control system class. But before that, Dharmendra, you should also attend the engineering mathematics class, because you are not supposed to miss the maths class. Maths is very much important. Yes. So now coming to our next faculty member, very expert faculty member, that is Mr. Saurav Upadhyay sir. So I would like to invite Mr. Saurav Upadhyay sir, and I would like to ask one question. So, Saurav, how this industrial engineering subject, we can say that very much important for the student preparation. How much the weightage of this subject, and how much student can easily score in the industrial engineering? This is the first question. The second question is, when you will take the gate score booster session in 3 hour session, which type of question you will include, so that student will get the exact benefit and they have an advantage to boost their preparation. I have asked two questions.
So first of all, thank you, Ankur sir, for having me here. So after a long time, my dear friends. So I hope your preparation is going good. Now coming to the first question which Ankur sir asked, that sir, how is industrial engineering important for your preparation? Now my dear friends, if you are thinking to score high, you simply cannot leave industrial engineering out of your scope. You have to have it in your, you know, in your strong subjects, the subjects in which you are having a good command. Now, engineering mathematics is there, aptitude is there, manufacturing is there, industrial should also be there, sir. Now, sir, the belief is that it's a easy subject. Now, students tend to take it very lightly. Now, they should not do it in this way. They think that once the PYQs are done, and then we are all good to go in the examination. But this shouldn't be the case, my dear friends. The easier the subject, the more effort you need to put it, so that you get all the marks. You should not leave a single mark when it comes to an easy subject. Exactly,
So where
sir.
these subjects?
Exactly, sir. Now coming to the weightage, 5 to 6 marks comes every year. Last year it was 8 marks.
Okay, okay.
So, sir, we cannot tell anything regarding as far as the weightage is concerned. From 5 to 10 marks, you can expect anything out of the core mechanical subject. And now coming to the second part of the question, which sir asked, that what I'm going to do in the session. My dear friends, you have studied your theoretical aspects. Theory is fine. You have done PYQs also. I know that 60 to 70% PYQs have been solved by you. But still, you are not feeling confident enough to go and sit in the examination. Yes or no? I am sure most of you will say yes. Something is missing. Now, for that only we are coming up with this session. So, some of the best, sir, best of the best questions, beautifully crafted, twisted, along with many good concepts are there in the questions. Interlinked questions are there. And my dear friends, I can only say that after attending the session, you are going to feel confident, and it will be like the final nail in the coffin. My dear friends, I'll only ask you that we have done the hard work on your part. Your only job is to come and attend the sessions and take the full benefit of as much as possible. Revision is necessary, my dear friends. My dear friends, you will be revising. Everyone knows that revision is the need of the hour, but we will make sure that it is happening in the best possible way. This is only we can guarantee on our part.
Thank you so much, sir. Saurav has,
Thank you, my dear.
thank you so much. So, as Saurav told that amazing, we can say that benefits of these subjects also, and at the same time, Saurav told that many students are solving the PYQs, but they are not solving the proper practice questions. So, uh, as he told that how this series is going to be important for you. Now, I think Shivam Singh is continuously saying that when Lamia ma'am will come, so definitely she will come very soon. And thank you so much, Shivam, for your lovely words. Murli, thank you so much. Now, the next is thermodynamics. So I would like to invite Miss Lamia ma'am. Okay, so welcome, Lamia. How are you? Good? All good? So again, I would like to ask one or two questions, and one by one, because we have only one mic today, so we need to manage. So the first question is, you are taking this major subject, thermodynamics. This is a very important subject and very interesting subject also as far as mechanical is concerned. Students like this subject and students like your teaching style also. Some students are commenting earlier. So the first of all, you need to just explain the weightage of this subject, the importance of this subject, why the student should give preference to thermodynamics first. Because many students now in the last time they give a preference. So sir, first I will cover mathematics, after the thermodynamics. So they have some preference. So why they need to give preference to this subject? This is my first question. Now next question, in which way you are going to take the sessions of gate score booster session, and which type of question you will include here, so that eventually it will be helpful for our students. Okay, so over to Lamia. Yeah.
First of all, thank you very much, sir, for the lovely introduction. So, in thermodynamics, I am not only going to cover the thermodynamics, because there is one more part, that is your applied thermodynamics. So, in applied thermodynamics, we have three more subjects: RAC, IC engine, and power plant. Generally, what is happening whenever we are coming for the practice session of thermal engineering, most of these questions we are covering only from the basic thermo. And just because of this culture, students are not getting good question from the applied thermodynamics. So what I did, I divided the whole thermal engineering in two parts. In the first 1.5 hour, we are going to solve the basic thermodynamics question, and then in next 1.5 hour, we are going to solve the IC engine, RAC, and power plant question. In RAC, we will also discuss like from which topic the questions are coming. Generally, if you will see the gate previous year question, psychometry and vapor compression refrigeration system, these two topics are most important, and every year the gate examiner asking question from these two topics. So what I am going to do, I am going to separate these two parts first, and I am going to give you one of the best predictable question. For the GATE 2022 also, I conducted a lot of practice session, and there were so many questions which repeated the same with the different units and different we can say that data, but the question pattern was same. So this time we all are like thinking like this time it is going to happen again, because we have a lot of experience from the past GATE examinations. So for sure you all are going to get one of the best question from our side. And apart from thermal engineering, I am also going to take two more subjects. Second subject is the strength of material, and the third subject will be your machine design. I don't know, sir, why generally students is skipping the machine design, because machine design is the subject which is very much predictable, because topics are almost fixed, like we are getting question from the theory of failure for the static and dynamic loading. Fixed questions are coming, and 4 to 5 marks is weightage. I think just because of the weightage, generally student leaving the subject. But try to understand, if questions are fixed and topics are also fixed, why are you wasting 4 to 5 marks? Yes, exactly. Same pattern. And in the machine design, the method to solve the question is also fixed, because data table is not allowed. So they are not making the conventional kind of question. They are making a basic simple question. Just put the data, put the formula, you will get the answer.
Just before 5 or 6 days, I think we had a discussion on the multiple approach to solve the PYQs. That time also, I think your side, from your side, one comment, in the machine design, actually simple, same pattern of questions are there. So there is a less scope to make a multiple methods, like tricks and all. Just because this is a same pattern question, fixed pattern questions and all. Okay,
And
good.
topics are also fixed. Like
Okay.
generally we are
Correct. Correct.
not completed the
Correct.
are
Correct.
going to my subject and my practice series, still they will get a lot of we can say that conceptual knowledge also, because I am not going to solve only question, because generally what students are doing, they are focusing on the final answer. I am the one who is not focusing in the final answer. I am the one who is like just focusing how to approach the question. That is very important. This is the reason, like if I am solving one question in the classroom, I am able to solve, but the same pattern of question if I am solving in the test series, a student not able to solve that question. But if a student will learn the approach how to solve the question, then it will be easy for them to solve all the type of question, whether it is coming in the test series or in the final examination, or they are solving our booklet question. So it will be easy. So be ready for the strength of material, machine design, the whole thermal engineering, and we are going to rock in these three subjects. And I'm going to make sure you all the question will be new, predictable, and the one of the best question in which you are going to use your brain. And for mechanical engineer especially, all the question we can solve by two methods. First, with the help of the aptitude, and second, with the help of the conceptual knowledge. So generally students are focusing on the second approach, that is your conceptual based question, but the same question you can solve by simple aptitude. So that thing also I am going to include in my series, so that with the basic and with the less knowledge you can solve so many number of questions.
So, thank you so much, Lamia. I think she has explained very well about the importance of thermodynamics as well as machine design, and one more subject you taught.
Yes, strength of material.
So, this is very common in mechanical civil.
And highly
Highly better subject, correct. So guys, definitely when you will attend the session, definitely you will not have a regret, and you will have a proud that you have invested your 3 hour in a best way as far as your gate preparation is concerned. And as the name suggests, definitely it will boost your performance. Definitely you will feel that you will enjoy definitely after solving the new pattern of questions, after solving, because what I believe that every year in the gate exam now, the question pattern more or less same only. Sometime data value will change or theoretical part will change, sometime NAT to MCQ type of, so some theoretical part examiner will change. So the main agenda of examiner is just confuse the students so that they will get a
same thing happened in gate.
okay.
From the
Huh.
generally in the open system we are solving the question in which we are considering the system is adiabatic, but in the gate 2022 examination what they considered, they did not consider system is adiabatic. They gave the value of q, and a student was confused how to use that q because of that dt.
Correct.
So
that
these
is-
type of problem you will not feel after completion of the series for sure.
Rohit, definitely Vijay Agarwal sir is about to come. CS students are waiting. So definitely, so thank you so much, Lamia, and definitely we'll have a wonderful session. So all of you need to attend the session, and they all will get the detailed schedule in the description.
Yes. In the description also you all will get, and continuously we are going to post all the community in the community post. You all will get our schedules also. So don't worry, we are going to share all the details with you guys. Be ready. We are very energetic and very excited for this series, and we want the same energy from your side also. That is the thing which I want in the live sessions.
So coming to the next or third faculty, that is Sandeep, having 11 plus year teaching experience. So he's having a wide teaching experience, and he is going to cover here RCC. But of course, he's cover I think one or two more subjects. So welcome, Sandeep. Welcome. So I would like to ask two questions. After that, I will hand over my. Okay. The first question is the RCC subject is again important. So first question is how many subject you are going to cover in this gate score booster sessions, and how these sessions going to be important for all civil students, and how they can boost their preparation in the last moment, November, December, and how they need to utilize this time, November, December. So these two or three questions you need to explain.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, students. I hope you are doing great. Actually, most of the students, when I teach RCC, reinforced cement concrete, everyone is telling that RCC is a very difficult subject. But my dear students, you know Virat. Virat Kohli is very good in cover drive, right? He's perfect in cover drive. Similarly, we are planning some boost for you. Like we are making some short sample shortcuts for the RCC subject, and we are trying to solve all the problems so that it covers each and every topic, and we ensure that all the students from IMS Gate Academy and the students who are appearing for Gate exam 2023, they are very happy with this, because these sessions will really help you in RCC, because we have something like design part, sir. As you asked me, in RCC, especially what I want to tell you now, sir, it's not about only gate exam.
Okay.
After the gate exam, if a civil engineer has to design any structure or for anything, RCC
Foundation.
design is very important.
Design is
Very important. So that is the reason I'm
as far
telling.
as knowledge point of
Very important, sir. Because, sir, future, if you see like companies in the designing companies, they ask the interview first the basics of RCC.
basics.
Sir, and I will tell you one thing also, students. Like in RCC, we have different methods also. I'll be going through the basic parts as well as I'll be covering the questionnaire also. So I'm really excited related to RCC. Apart from RCC, as Ankur sir asked me, I'm also teaching geomatics. Sir, geomatics is one of the wonderful subject. How
What
it has,
about the weightage?
sir, in geomatics, we are getting almost 4 marks.
Okay.
Sir, the transition, how it has happened, I want to tell you, sir. Sir, if you like in the previously, if you want to measure distance between 2 points, my dear students, we used to use a chain or a tape.
Correct.
Then we want to theodolite, like focusing, we used to get angles. Then now, suppose something has happened in Rishikesh or Haridwar, some disaster has happened.
Correct.
So Indian Army has to use some photogrammetry over there.
Exactly.
So the transition has happened from chain to the photogrammetry, like we call UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle.
Correct.
So these things made a lot of change. So here, my dear students, with the help of Ankur sir and my team, we are planning the subjects in the application oriented, sir. That is the one of the important thing I would like to add. And we are also more focused how to prepare the students at the point of gate, sir. So at the end of the day, they should feel that after attending this session, I will ensure also, sir, I'll make a promise for the students by this through this live that.
Students are commenting that Sandeep sir is making tough subject in a easy way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good.
So actually, the intention here is how best we can make it, sir. So I would like to help each and every, and I'm really excited for this. And related to hydrology irrigation also, my dear students, if you take the states of South India, where a lot of water is available, sir, how the water has to be stored. So these kind of things will be discussed, and there is some delta duty every year, sir. Every alternate year, we are seeing that question. So how this question can be easily solved? So I'm really excited. Again and again, I'm telling this word, we're really excited because we are waiting for the students. We are here to help the students to get their better marks.
Exactly. Guys, you have all the questions. Civil some part I think designing parts are also important. So definitely guys, I hope that just like the Sandeep, he is excited to see you all in the live. So you all also are having the equally excitement and equally aggression to attend the sessions. Okay, thank you so much, Sandeep.
Thank you, students. Really, civil engineering team at IMS Academy is really excited. We want to make the things very easy for the students who are enrolled or who are coming live. So that is the only motto, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So guys, now it's time to invite our next expert faculty member, that is Mr. Pratik sir. So he's going to take environmental also. I think one more subject he will take. So okay, welcome Pratik. Welcome. How are you? Good. Good. Okay. Today we have only one mic, so we have to manage. So first I will ask. After that you can take. Okay? So my common question, as I already asked to many other faculty members also. So whatever subject you are taking in the GATE score booster, first explain the weightage of this subject and why the student give preference to this subject as far as their preparation journey is concerned. The next question is how students are get benefited after watching the GATE score booster, and which pattern of question you will cover in this. So these 2 or 3 questions. Okay, now over.
So, hello everyone, a very good evening to everyone. I'll be taking environmental engineering and structural analysis for GATE Booster series. As students, you already know that these two subjects are one of the easiest subjects, but talking about environmental engineering, sir, the total weightage of environmental is 10 to 15 marks.
Okay.
One of the highest.
10 to 15.
10 to 15, sir, one of the highest for civil engineering. And the negative part about environmental is that, sir, this kind of subject students don't revise for along the years, right? So at this very moment of time, during this November end, almost 80% of the subjects are done and the students are lagging in revision. Through this core booster series, what we want to develop is that student, you should revise the subject using these questions, not just revising your entire notebook, right? Just practicing these questions and you will get all the concepts throughout the syllabus. We have divided environmental engineering into 2 sections. As you already know that it comprises of raw water engineering, wastewater engineering, solid waste management and air pollution. So accordingly, sir, we have divided, and I would not like to say that we will going to deal with the easy method or shortcuts. The word used here will be smart methods. That you will going to understand the question, and based on that understanding, you will going to easily solve that question. Just follow the steps that will be taken in this video, sir. And talking about my next video, sir, next subject is structural analysis. Yeah, structural analysis has a weightage of around 6 to 8 marks every year. The questions are asked from all the varieties, means the topics covered starting from indeterminacy, then we have truss analysis, then we have force and displacement method, then we have arches and cables, and then we have matrix method of analysis. And all these things will be dealt in 2 sessions. And still, student, I would like to again say this: we will again going to deal all the concepts through questions, and it will be smart method and one of the easiest ways, sir, to revise the entire subject in just a span of six hours. So that will be all from my side regarding these 2 sections. And for you students, all I would like to say is continue revising, because in GATE, the content you need to read is should be precise, but it has to be read for multiple number of times, sir. Before GATE examination, you have to practice these PYQs and you have to revise these concepts number of
Because
times.
whatever they know now, they cannot afford negative marking in that.
Exactly,
At least
sir.
whatever you know, you should secure. You should secure
Exactly.
marks and you convert in a positive marker.
And talking about negative marking, sir, when we talk about these multiple select questions, which were recently introduced, so environmental engineering has a very wide domain of forming these multiple select questions.
Okay, excuse.
Yeah, these, and also these numerical answer type question and very easy numerical answer type question can be framed from environmental engineering. So my thing will be to cover all these concepts regarding these framing of these multiple select question, which does not have negative marking, but it contains the huge amount of weightage in GATE
Very nice.
examination.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pratik. So I think as Pratik already told the importance of environment as well as structure analysis.
sir.
So I think you all are excited to attend Sandeep sir session, Pratik sir session. So definitely, guys, they are also very much excited to take the sessions. So attend in a live manner 6 to 9 p.m. and the detailed schedule is will be in the description of this live video. Just after this, once we will end this live, we will add the description. Weekly schedule will be there only. You can just have click on that. You will have a view of all the upcoming events day by day. Okay, guys. So chaliye. So thank you,
Thank you.
Pratik. Thank you. Now it's time to invite our next faculty member, that is Mr. Ankit Dongriwal. So he is also right now in Kolkata Center to taking classes. As you all know, we are having many offline centers across the country. So right now he is also not with us in the studio, but he is going to cover the OCF subject. And definitely, student, as all the other faculty members are also told the importance of the GATE score booster. So I think you know very well now how it will be helpful for you and why you should not miss the live events. Okay. Okay, now coming to the next part. So I think many students are waiting for computer science. So or very much experienced faculty, I must say, he's having 11 plus teaching experience and he has taken offline classes across the country in many cities in offline manner and online manner. So I would like to invite Mr. Vijay Agarwal sir. So most welcome. Okay. So I would like first question, and again after that I will hand over mic to you. Okay. So again you are teaching DBMS here, and you are covering I think other subjects also. So the first of all, you just explain the importance of subjects whatever you are covering in the GATE score booster, and again you should also explain which what should be the exact preference of subject, so that in the last moment generally students are feeling demotivated while attempting the test series and all. So this is my first question. Now next question is why the student need to attend your score booster session? What should be their motivation to attend the session? Okay, so these are the questions. Now over to you.
Thank you, sir. First of all, thank you, Ankur, sir. Hello, my dear students, GATE CSE students. I hope your preparation is going good. Yes, thank you. And I'm Vijay Agarwal, having more than 11 years experience. I am going to take score booster session of subject DBMS, operating system, computer network, and computer organization and architecture. Yes, sir. And in this session, sir, we are going to cover each and every important topic which will ask. And what happened actually, especially from CS branch. Last 2020, GATE 2022 also, more and more MSQ will ask. Like if you observe in other branch like electrical, maybe 0 MSQ, 0 or 1 MSQ. But in computer science, more than 15 plus MSQ will ask. So here we will check each and everything here, and I will take more and more MSQ and each and every important topic of the subject DBMS, computer organization and architecture, operating system and computer network. Yes, sir. Each and every subject having weightage more than 8 marks, around 9 to 11 marks, and COA having more weightage just because of some more topics.
First part is COA. So thank you so much, Vijay sir. And I think the computer science students are very much excited to attend all the 4 subjects named that Vijay sir told here. So don't miss the session of computer science, guys. Definitely, it will boost your rank, gate rank, and whatever we are covering here. As I already told you, we already worked hard for the same, and we are making some amazing questions for you. From that particular questions, you guys have opportunity to recall your concept, whatever you have studied in the last 6 months. जो भी उन्होंने क्लासरूम में पढ़ा है, I think उनको they have an opportunity to visualize those concepts while attending the session.
Yes, sir. Not only that questions, they will get some advanced level of questions also. And I can guarantee also, data will not same, but data will be different, but similar type of concept question you will find in GATE 2023. It's my promise to all of you.
Thank you so much, Vijay sir. And I think Ankit sir is one of the very good. So I think Ankit Dongriwal sir, definitely he will going to come right now. He is in Kolkata for taking offline classes. So definitely he will take the sessions for you for civil branch, and this is your responsibility to attend regularly, because if you miss the session, you will eventually lose the momentum, and you will, if you are not consistent, you will definitely not able to understand, because consistency is very important.
Sir. And thank you, Adya and Jeevan. And definitely you will attend the session and you will find the difference, and you will get very good varieties of question that will really boost your preparation in this GATE 2023 examination. It's my promise to all of you.
Much for coming. So now it's time to invite our next faculty member, that is Mr. Amit sir. So I would like to invite Mr. Amit Goyal, and he's also having very unique approach to deal with the concepts and all. So please come. So first of all, I would like to ask some questions. As I already, after that, I will hand over mic to you. So my first question is, which subject you are going to cover in the GATE score booster? What are the preference? How the student will give preference for your subjects, and why the student will attend your GATE score booster session? Which type of questions you are going to include in this your session, so that it will be really helpful for the student, because student already have a knowledge of PYQs. So definitely in this session we are not going to cover PYQs. We are going to cover some actual question. We can say that expected type of questions. Good. Now over to you.
So you bombarded me with questions. I'll answer them one by one. Right. So thank you so much, Ankur sir, for inviting me first of all. And so let me see how many CS students are here. So maybe you guys can say hi or something, so that I get to know that you guys are here. Right. So meanwhile, sir, as sir introduced, I am Amit Goyal. So I'm GATE CS mentor at IMS GATE Academy. So answering your questions, sir, one by one. So I'll be taking sessions on theory of computation. That they are on 24th and 25th of November. Then I'll be taking sessions on compiler design, that is on 29th of November. And on 19th of December, I'm taking sessions on programming and data structures, right? And when we talk about, as you said, what is the importance of these sessions, if I summarize, these subjects have a weightage of around 25 to 30 marks. So you guys cannot afford to miss these sessions, right? So almost 30% weightage is there in the GATE exam, so they cannot afford to miss these sessions. So what is unique about these sessions, you asked me? So when you say about the uniqueness, what we are going to cover is, we are going to see what are the most probabilistic topics that are going to be asked in GATE, right? So if we see the history of the GATE exam in the last 3-4 years, you will see that there is a sudden change in the pattern of the questions. The topics generally change, the focus generally change when we go from if we start from 1990. 8 questions and now you see 2022 questions, there is a lot of difference. There is a lot of difference in the pattern of the questions. And when I say about theory of computation, the focus has really shifted on decidability, undecidability, closure properties, and identifying the type of the language. And moreover, the MSQs have really increased the toughness of the questions. So when you say MSQs, you have to look out at each and every option, and then you have to find out. And I'll try my level best. I'll include more and more MSQs so that students get a benefit. They understand how to approach those questions. Definitely, sir. And they are generally more time taking than the MCQs, because there we cannot neglect certain options. As soon as we get one answer, we cannot go out. We have to look at all the 4 options. And I will focus. So I'll be covering all of the topics, but the major focus I have on an average 2 to 3 questions have come on these topics. So I'll be covering these in detail, and of course all other topics too, right? When we talk about compiler designs, you see mostly the focus is on the heart of the compiler, which is syntax analysis. So there are various parsers. We'll be covering all of them. We'll be covering questions on all of them, and in what variations the questions can be asked. Although I'll be covering other topics too, but major focus, as I said, we'll be covering most probabilistic questions. So the focus will be on the syntax analyzer and the various parsers that we have, right? And on average, we have 1 to 2 questions in every GATE exam on this part. When I talk about programming and data structures, yes, so it's a big subject, and the weightage is sometimes around 10 to 15 marks. So 10 is perfectly pakka. You will definitely get 10 marks, and sometimes you will also get 15 marks. So we'll be covering all the data structures and 1 to 2 questions on all the data structures. When we come about C programming, which is also a part of this subject only, in C programming, the major focus is basically on arrays and the pointers and the string manipulation. So we will do how the variations can happen in these questions, and definitely you will learn a lot out of it. So yeah. So I sincerely hope that all of you come and attend this session. You will understand how the variations can be done in the questions, how the questions will be, and I am definitely sure you are going to make a big difference if you attend these sessions. Right. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I think now, as Amit already told, now you are having a strong motivation to attend all the sessions of computer science, as Vijay also told earlier. So thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much for coming. I think we are taking so much time for students. It's I think about 1 hour also. So I think we have covered all the part here, students. So that's all from today's announcement, dear students. Sir, signal system, yes, sir. I'm going to take signals and system, Bharat. Yes. I'm going to cover signals and system and control system for you all guys. Okay, so don't miss. And for the detailed schedule, you guys can visit our description just after this live event. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for attending this live event. I'm pretty much confident that you all are waiting for the live event that's going to be start from the 19th of November, and you have a good opportunity to secure a good rank and to boost your preparation by attending the 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. daily live sessions. And I can, yes, definitely video private nahi honge. We will not private any video, guys. But at the same time, to to get a perfect advantage of this series, you all guys need to attend the session in a live manner, so that there will be a wonderful interaction with the faculty in a live manner, and all the faculty member are having strong motivation while attending, while teaching, or while reading your comments in the live chat box. Okay, guys, chaliye. So I think all the pointers I have covered. I have and you have had a wonderful interaction in today's session. I hope you like it. And in mechanical team, mechanical CS, electrical, already we have a discussion. Okay, guys. So just let me know, is there anything that you want to ask here, or we can go ahead next. So this is the overall schedule. If I talk about, we are starting from Priyanka ma'am, engineering mathematics. After that, control DBMS, that as you can see here, engineering mechanics DBMS. Then after RCC, TOC, RCC, TOC, like that. Signals and system will come. Again, environmental will come. Like that, student sessions we are having. And this is the detailed schedule, as I already told you. We have attached in the description weekly basis. So you will get a different 4 link there. Once you will click on the link, you will have a view of all the complete schedules. So this is the complete schedule, guys. As I already told you, start from 19th of November and it will be continued till 1st of January. So it will be around approximately 40 plus days we are having daily live event from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So don't miss this session. As my team member already told you, dear student, you cannot afford to lose these sessions. Okay, so don't lose this opportunity, guys. make this opportunity as a, we can say that, just use this opportunity to improve your rank, to boost your GATE preparation. Okay, so this is the complete schedule, guys. Thermodynamics, power electronics, COA, majorly all the subjects, highly weighted subjects are covered here. Okay, computer network, industrial, again machine design, analog, geotech, hydrology, CMM, general aptitude. The last general aptitude also covered by Priyanka ma'am here on New Year. Happy New Year. So on New Year you will definitely get, but right now we have a 40 days. Okay, so guys, that's all from today's session. Thank you so much for attending live. Thank you so much for your love and support. And same I am expecting with all in the live event. So all the students, do share, the link of all the videos, है ना? So first we are starting with mathematics, that is common for all the stream. So all the students don't miss the sessions of EC, electrical, mechanical, civil engineering. Mathematics is we can say that most crucial and important subject. You cannot afford to miss this session. Out of 13 marks, definitely you need to secure 11 12 marks. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Bye bye. And in last I always say one statement, तो उसी के साथ में अपनी बात को आज एंड करना चाहूँगा. Generally students are feel nervous in this November December time, and many students lose the hope of preparation also, because they are not getting good marks in the test series. They are getting 5 marks, 10 marks also, and it is the truth, my dear student. So don't we can say, just face this, and always remember my word, मैदान तब तक मत छोड़ो जब तक जीत ना जाओ. आपका लक्ष्य आपके साहस से बड़ा नहीं, हारा वो है जो लड़ा नहीं. अपने दम पे अपनी पहचान बनाओ, एंड डू योर बेस्ट गाइस, so that after the GATE exam you will at least not have a single regret that you have not given your 100%. So just give your 100%, whatever scope you are having. Just find your best version, and or all faculty members or all IMS GATE Academy are here to support you for the technical event. You all guys need to attend live session 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. from 19th November to 1st of January. We are covering almost all the subjects of all the 6 branches. So guys, that's all from session. Bye bye. Love you all guys, and good night. Take care.